Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial from Biggerplate.com showing you how to export your XMind mind maps into other formats such as images or PDFs. It's a very simple process. We're going to come up to this top toolbar up here, then we're going to click on File, scroll down to Export, and you'll see you've got a series of formats here that you can export your mind maps to. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to show you how to export as an image or a PDF. So for an image file, we can click on PNG here, and you'll see you get this drop-down menu showing the content that's going to be exported, the scale that it's at, and the option to decide whether you have a transparent background or not. If you were to then hit export, you get another little drop-down menu that shows you what the title of what you're saving the file as and where it's going to be saved to. So if we click on this little drop-down menu here, you'll get a series of different locations that you can save to. To save as a PDF, you have two options. You can either come down to export again, click PDF, then you get another simple drop-down menu and you can just click export, and again it'll give you the option to choose the location, or alternatively we can go File, Print, and then Save as PDF, and it just gives you a few extra options like changing the page size, the layout, background color, so on and so forth. So with those options, it just allows you to export as a file format that's more accessible to everybody. So in case you're trying to show someone that maybe doesn't have XMind your new shiny mind map, it just gives them an option to see it as well. For more XMind templates, tutorials and training, visit Biggerplate.com.